this is Keely, the Crochet Queen at Hooking Love. This is part of a series of videos on starting to crochet. So this video will be about how to hold your hook and to make sure that you've got an idea of the way it should be held. So what we'll have a look at then first is how to hold your hook. There are two main ways that I recognise as the ways that we would hold our hooks. One is a knife grip and one is a pen grip. Whichever way you choose is down to what is the most comfortable for you. So this is the knife grip. So the body of the hook, so the handle of the hook goes through your palm and you hold it as if it was a knife. This is the pen grip. So again, hopefully you can see why it's called a pen grip. It is as if you were going to hold a pen, and you pretty much could. This is how you would hold it if you were going to be writing. You choose whichever is the most comfortable. It really is personal preference, and you might find that you do some sort of version as you go along where you keep changing over and you decide, oh, I'm not sure about this, I'll try it this way. And all that is all perfectly natural when you are starting up and you're trying to learn the best way to do it. So there is no wrong way to hold your hook. It was one of the things that I did think about when I first started. Am I holding it right? Does it look right? Particularly if I was going to be crocheting in public. For some reason, I was very concerned that I was doing it correctly, but there isn't a right or a wrong way. So we've got two different ways, pen and knife, whichever is the most comfortable for you.